Hey everyone, welcome back to English Speakology, where you learn to speak English naturally, confidently, and fluently.
Hi guys, I'm Alex, and today we're going to talk about one of the most common and fun topics in English, talking about future plans.
Yes, we all love to talk about our future, where we'll go, what we'll do, who we'll meet, or what we want to achieve. And today we'll teach you how to do that like a native speaker. So, Alex, when we talk about the future in English, what structures can we use?
I think we can use will, going to, or sometimes present continuous, right?
Exactly. Let's explain that clearly. Will for decisions made at the moment. I'll call you later. Going to for plans or intentions. I'm going to visit my parents this weekend. Present continuous for fixed arrangements. I'm meeting my friend tomorrow.
That's simple. So if I say, I'm going to start a YouTube channel next month, it means I already planned it.
Perfect. And if you say, I'll start a YouTube channel, it means you just decided right now. Okay, Alex, let's have a short conversation using these forms.
Sure.
So, Alex, what are you going to do this weekend?
I'm going to visit my grandparents. They live in the countryside, and I haven't seen them for months.
That's nice. What will you do there?
I'll help my grandfather in the garden and maybe cook something with my grandma.
It sounds relaxing. I'll probably stay at home and finish some editing work for our next video.
You're always working, Ryan.
Well, someone has to.
Ryan, how do we talk about big plans like dreams or goals for the future?
Good question. We usually use expressions like, I'm planning to, I'm hoping to, I'd like to, my dream is to.
Oh, like I'm planning to study abroad next year?
Exactly. Or, I'd like to start my own business.
Okay, so if I say, my dream is to travel the world and make English learning videos, is that correct English?
That's perfect English, and it sounds like a great goal too.
Thanks. What about you, Ryan? What are your long-term plans?
I'm planning to write a book about English learning and maybe open a language school in the future.
That's awesome. English Speakology School. It sounds cool.
Maybe one day. Let's quickly go through some vocabulary you can use to talk about the future.
Okay, I'll repeat after you.
Next week, next month, next year, in the future, someday, soon, later on, eventually. I can't wait to, I'm looking forward to.
Got it. For example, I'm looking forward to meeting my cousins next week.
Perfect sentence. Looking forward to is a great natural expression.
And I can also say, I can't wait to go on vacation.
Exactly. That's how native speakers talk about excitement for future plans. Let's do a quick role play. Imagine we're planning a trip to Japan.
Okay, sounds fun.
So, Alex, where are we going to stay in Tokyo?
I'm thinking of booking a hotel near Shibuya.
That's a great area. What will we do there?
We'll visit some temples, eat sushi, and of course, go shopping.
You love shopping.
Guilty. I'm planning to buy some cool jackets.
I'm going to try Japanese ramen. I've heard it's amazing.
Same here. I'm really looking forward to this trip.
Me too. Let's review what we learned so far.
Sure.
Okay, when do we use will?
For quick decisions like, I'll open the door.
Good. And going to?
For plans or intentions, like, I'm going to start a new job.
Excellent. And present continuous?
For fixed arrangements, like, I'm meeting my friend tonight.
Perfect. You are ready for any conversation about the future. So, dear listeners, remember, talking about your future plans helps you sound more confident and fluent in English.
Yes, try to talk about your daily, weekly, and long-term plans in English. It helps your brain think naturally in English.
And don't forget to practice speaking. Even 5 minutes a day can change everything.
If you like today's lesson, hit the like button and subscribe to English Speakology.
And comment below, what are your future plans? We'd love to read them.
See you next time with another exciting English speaking practice.
Let's learn English the Speakology way.